It's getting easier to travel to Vietnam. Flights are affordable. There's no reason to wait. Discover the hidden splendor of Vietnam for yourself. Let's explore 3 tips for planning the perfect holiday in Vietnam. Where to go in Vietnam? Check out Ha Long Bay. The bay is home to a series of green hills and small islands that dot the calm water. Ride a boat through it, gaze at the beauty. Visit Hanoi, a city on the verge of becoming one of the most interesting cities in the world. You'll find endless things to do and see. Or visit Ho Chi Minh City. Nestled between 2 major cities, you'll travel by car to get there. It'll be the road trip you'll never forget. And we shouldn't fail to mention the rich history of food that exists in Vietnam. Why group travel? The economic advantage of group travel can't be underestimated. It eliminates a lot of extra costs, from plane tickets to dining to tickets to tourist sites. The economic benefit of group travel reverberates. Group travel makes high-end holidays affordable. Build friendships and never miss a thing with a knowledgeable guide. How to choose the right guide. It's important you have a guide with you, but that doesn't mean just any old guide will do. You need a leader of the pack who can help you navigate the terrain. Plus, they'll make things a lot more fun. Think about walking through Hanoi while traveling solo. You feel a grumble in your stomach? Uh-oh, you're hungry. But where will you eat? Your guide already knows. These 3 tips will help you make the most out of your Vietnam getaway. But there's more to learn and know. Reach out to us for more information on how to make your holiday in Vietnam the best it could be. Your dream vacation is a few emails away. What are you waiting for? Go for it. If you liked this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.